Hello,
Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, permit me to specially recognize Baba Obasanjo, Baba of Africa, Baba Chief Obasanjo, GCFR, PhD. Congratulations, sir. Happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day. Longer life, coupled with good health and more prosperity. I said longer life. Baba is 89. Last year I conducted the cutting of the cake. I said Baba will be 89, Baba will be 90. Baba will be 95. Amen. And I will still conduct the cutting of. Baba will be 100. Baba will be 120. Congratulations. I'm going to, you can see the grace of God in Baba's life. Baba's life has been that service and God. So I'm going to spell grace. G, R, A, C, E, A. Happy birthday to you.
Ajọ́lé kú fẹ́, ọ̀yìn ajọ́lé kú fẹ́, ọ̀yìn ajọ́lé kú fẹ́. Àìsàn sí ọ̀, àìsàn sí ọ̀ lọ́fọ̀ọ́sì, àìsàn sí ọ̀ lọ́fọ̀ọ́sì, ọ̀yìn ajọ́lé kú fẹ́, ọ̀yìn ajọ́lé kú fẹ́.
Take this opportunity. Thank and appreciate Papi Salapi. Papi Soba Filaro. Papi Olowu. Papi Olubara. And obviously Olubara, I thought you will want to say something here, but I won't give you the opportunity. Because I know if I give you the opportunity, you will come and abuse me. Because my granite which you stole from my pocket when we were in school. And you prefect and head boys and head girls, don't behave like Olubara when we were in school. He dipped his hand into my pocket and took my granite.
Right.
That was in 1952. Somebody was asking how many years ago. That was in 1952. Abi Olubara. Later, Ujale went to greet him one day, and Ujale said he has had enough of this granite stealing and whatnot. So he gave me, I think, 10 bottles of granite. And then I walked it out. I said, no. I needed 100. And he gave up. Obviously, some distinguished ladies and gentlemen, members of the trustee, and my brothers and sisters from the east. I think I can see Chief Simon Loke. Is he the one I'm seeing? Thank you very much for coming. I see Pat, did I see you? Peter, I believe you are supposed to be around. Is he around? Peter, thank you very much. And I've seen some of my colleagues. No, thank you very much. I really appreciate your being here. And what we are doing, as I said yesterday, age is only a number. What we are celebrating is the grace of God and what God has enabled us to be able to do in this span of life that we have had. Ladies and gentlemen, I have hope, and I see hope. Not the fragile hope of a man grasping at possibility, but the firm hope of a man who has planted a seed, tended it carefully, and is now witnessing the first fruits of the harvest. I founded this institute because I have seen across more than 5 decades of public life that Africa's greatest deficit is not money, not land, not intellect, it is leadership. The bane of our development is leadership. I've seen what happens when leaders are poorly formed, nations fracture, resources are stolen, children without education go to bed hungry, and young people with brilliant futures abandon hope and take great and dangerous risks in search of green grass. I've also seen the opposite. I've seen what one well-formed leader can do. One leader with vision, with discipline, with integrity, with better service and incorruptibility, with courage to serve rather than stay. I've seen such a leader transform a community, rescue an institution, redirect a nation. We have had them in Africa and outside. OOLI exists because Africa needs more of those leaders, many more, and they must be trained deliberately, rigorously, and unapologetically. They must be formed by internalizing and being imbued with the necessary attributes and values. The men and women who are receiving certificates today and those that graduated over the course of the last 1 year, I want to speak to you directly. You are not simply the first graduating class of this institute, the advanced certificate in school leadership and management, and certificate of leadership for school prefects. You are its proof of concept. You are the living evidence that the vision is real, that the work is serious, and that the mission is achievable. Every person who doubted whether this institute would produce trained, certified leaders has their answer today, and their answer is sitting in those seats. Their principals and vice principals from Ogun and Oyo State, as well as school prefects who are graduating today, please note that a certificate from OOLI is not a trophy to be displayed. It is a mandate to be executed. When you leave this hall today, something will be expected of you by your community, by your institutions, by your peers, by this country, by this continent, and by history. You have been trained in transformational leadership. The world is now waiting to be transformed by you. It is not a one-person show, but you have a critical role to play. Remember that your certificate carries my signature, and that matters to me, and I believe it should matter to you. To our partners, our staff, and governing board, I thank you all. You took a concept and made it a convocation. You took a vision and gave it a curriculum. You took my hope for Africa and made it an institution. That is no small achievement, but we still have a long way to go. This is only the beginning. OOLI will grow. Its reach will extend across this continent and beyond. Its standards will rise. Its graduates will lead in government, in business, in civil society, in communities, and in families. And on each Founders Day that follows this one, we will look back at this morning as the morning it all began. Africa's best days are not behind her, they are ahead. And they will be built by leaders like the ones in this room. Congratulations to the pioneer graduating class of the Olusegun Obasanjo Leadership Institute. Go and lead. Go and serve. Go and sacrifice. And go and make us proud. God will be with you wherever you go, and go well. I thank you all.